MudRFunR here. Today I'm out here with my 04 GMC Sierra. This is a 2500, but a 1500 and a 3500 should be exactly the same as this. And you'll see my headlight is out. That's what we're working on today. So changing this headlight is a very simple task. You have a pin right here. Snap that, pop the two pins out, and I think you have to pull this corner out first, and I just rest that on top of there. Take your light bulb, give it a twist, and it should pop right out. Now what you're looking at here is that little tab has to be pulled up, and you can use a screwdriver. I just put my fingers in behind it, or my thumb, and you should be able to wiggle that right out of there. So this low beam here, it takes a 9006 bulb, and the high beam is actually a 9005. So I had bought these some time ago for something, and apparently they probably didn't fit. So now I've got two of these new ones to use. I'm not sure if there's any truth to this, but from what I've been told is that the oils from your fingers will cause this bulb to burn out prematurely if you touch the glass part. So to be on the safe side, I never touch the glass part, and you shouldn't either. Snap, and this bulb goes in. Turn it about to there. Now you want to make sure you push hard enough that all three of those tabs are going to go back in place underneath this lip, and should feel tight. The high beam is exactly the same. Turn that, pull it out, replace the bulb, back in. Except this is a 9005. Normally I'd check the bulb, make sure that it works before putting it back in, but this is such an easy fix. Just going to put it back in. So just put your pins back in, and just make sure that it goes through the hole in the bottom and the top as well. The other pin goes in right here, and then snap, snap, and you're done. Both of them are on. High beams work. So thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Those two things, they really help me out. Thanks again. Come back again sometime.